What is up, my friend? I hope you're doing amazing. So I wanted to read you this story that I hope encourages you and reminds you that no matter how bad you may feel right now, no matter how hopeless that you may feel right now, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And this story is reflective of really the power of being a human. Dr. Peter A. Levine, world-renowned trauma expert, says, I believe human beings are born with an innate capacity to triumph over trauma. And I can tell you that it's true. I can tell you that I am blessed with the honor of seeing it every single week, either in the form of my own coaching clients or like this, where somebody took my online course for depersonalization, realization recovery, and they emailed me a testimonial. You can do this. Whether it's anxiety, whether it's panic attacks, whether it's depersonalization, realization, you can do this. Look at me. You can do this. Like, I know you're convinced. You're the exception. You're the one person that can't recover. But guess what? Everybody believes that, and it's not true. You have what it takes because you're a human, right? Like, I love David Goggins because it's like, he's really just showing us the power of human potential. David Goggins, which is a former Navy SEAL, broke the world record for pull-ups, just an incredible individual. Read his book, Can't Hurt Me, It'll Change Your Life. Basically went from spraying for cockroaches, being depressed, had a very traumatic past, to joining the Navy SEALs and Army Rangers, all this stuff. But like, he'll tell you, like, I'm not special. Like, he just showed the power of human capacity. And he just decided to tap into that, the resilience of a human being. And part of what I do with people is I just encourage them to remember that you're much more powerful than you think. You're more powerful than you ever could imagine. But the state that you're in has caused you to forget that. And so I try to just create positive expectancy in people and build relationship with them until they can see that for themselves. But this story is a reflection of the innate ability for human beings to triumph over trauma if I have ever seen it. So get ready, because this is going to change your life. Make sure to like this as well. Please help me out. It's hard to rank videos. Comment just something. Any comments will help me. Just something positive would really be cool. Share this video too. That helps. Also, hang around at the end. I'm going to give a discount for my DPDR recovery course if you're interested in that. Although you can get everything you need to recover for free on YouTube. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, Jordan. So I would just like to say that I think I had the worst depersonalization realization ever. Like everybody probably thinks. Yes, everybody definitely thinks that. I will say he is right. Okay, let's keep reading. So my symptoms were very bad. First, I just felt burning sensations all over my body. Then I couldn't feel anything in my body. I also experienced every kind of trauma and stress symptom you can imagine. I felt like I was living in a dream. All my memories were gone. My mind was blank 24/7. No past, no future, just constant terror. I started to experience the symptoms after a surgery, and 3 days later the symptoms started. I've always been an anxious person in general, so I think there were many stressors, traumas, and so on that had built up in my body and nervous system. I tried everything and got to the point where I didn't want to live anymore. I had to drop out of school and quit my job. I went to the hospital 3 times. The first time I was there for 5 months. The second time was 3 months. And the last time was 1 month. I tried 6 different kinds of antidepressants, 3 antipsychotics, and 2 benzodiazepines. None of them helped. They actually just made my symptoms worse. And I was to the point where I thought it all stemmed from brain damage. But because of you, I gained the knowledge that it was not just anxiety and it was not brain damage. It was a trauma coping mechanism. And my body, mind, and nervous system were simply trying to protect me. No doctor had ever told me that. After I was hospitalized, my mom tried everything to help me. She took me to hypnosis, bought supplements, took me to EMDR therapy. I got acupuncture, got massages, and so on. Nothing worked. I got a little relief, but not much. Then I tried to buy the DP manual. He's a sweet guy, And it's good that he tries to help, but I can't believe he thinks the cure is distraction. But I'm so thankful that I found your Depersonalization Recovery online course. The pelvic floor relaxation exercise gave me so much relief. Why has no one told me to just relax the muscles in my body? I've been struggling for about 1.5 years, but after applying the things you teach in your online course, I'm excited to say that it's only been 2 weeks, and I feel like I am 80% recovered. Thank you so much. You are saving lives, and you saved my life. I really think if I didn't find your course, I would have been dead by now. Everyone who struggles with DPDR should buy your course. I will try to speak up about it in every DP group online. Sorry for the long message. I would just like to say thank you. Because of you, I know this will only make me stronger. You know, everybody wants to feel a sense of purpose. And I feel a sense of purpose, especially with my family. I'm a spiritual person. My spiritual life gives me a sense of purpose. But a huge source of purpose for me is whenever I think about the fact that something that I said or did led to another person not taking their own life. And I literally have heard that statement over and over and over again for years now, that something that I taught saved their life. And it fills me with incredible significance. And it's why I keep doing what I'm doing. So I wanted to say this person, thank you for taking this time to send this. If you have a story, please send it to me, because it's hard to do what I do. Helping traumatized people is a very, very, very long and tedious process. And it is a labor of love. Of course, I make money. I've got to pay my bills. But this is because I'm doing this because I remember what it was like many, many years ago whenever I was suffering with symptoms. I felt very alone, and I didn't believe that I could recover. And I made a commitment that if I ever did recover from depersonalization, realization, panic attacks, anxiety, I was going to spend the rest of my life helping people. And I did a few YouTube videos, and people started watching them, and I started getting requests for coaching and a course, and I just did that. And here I am fulfilling that all these years later. But I will tell you, if you have a testimonial, please send it, because it's literally oxygen for me. Because it's so hard to help people that are just ready to quit. And it's just sometimes can take several months working with people. So send it to theanxietyninja@gmail.com. Any recovery stories, and I will read them on YouTube. I'm going to start doing this to encourage people. So if you want your story read, send it and I'll read it. All right. The last thing I want to say is, if you want to take my Depersonalization Realization Recovery course, there is a link below. Use the coupon code. I just made it for you guys. It's $50 off, and it is ready to recover. Also, I have a new recovery community. I've made it super affordable for everybody. It's only $20 a month, and it's basically weekly group coaching with me. We've got over 100 people that are on their journey to recovering from anxiety, panic attacks, and DPDR. There is an application below, and I will talk to you very, very soon.